Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. My brother has an older car and he was getting really sick of his old beat up car seats. These seats from ESDPAL are a great solution to being able to provide a cover for your seats and give your car a nice little facelift. The seats are made of a leather material and they are really supportive for your back and for your comfort. I'm really impressed that each of the front seats has a lumbar part so that you really feel like it has a nice cushion for your back. The seats come with the head covers and it also has a section for the back as well. The front seats definitely fit the best. It has a headrest for the top and then it has the seat cover itself, which is completely connected to the part that you sit on. The part that you sit on also has that really nice foamy, thick kind of cushion, making the covers really comfortable. The front covers also have a connection that goes underneath the seat, so they really stay in place really well, even when you're getting in and out of your car. This is the beige color that we opted for, and it's a little bit lighter than the original beige of the car. However, it is a nice creamy color and they're easy to wipe down as well. If you need a facelift for your car, this is a great interior facelift option. It's definitely making the car look nicer and more comfortable while you're driving as well. But that's just my point of view.